This video will show you how to run the performance mode in an EasyReader. To enter the performance mode, press the menu button and then press the performance button. You have two choices. The performance mode allows you to run both the high and the low calibration strip, along with a negative control and a positive control. The calibration check is a quick check of just the calibration strips. In this video, we're going to use the performance mode. Follow the prompts on the screen. The first selection is where it's going to say to insert the low calibrator. This means insert the dark side of the calibration strip facing down. Close the lid to the EasyReader and press OK. If the calibration strip is in range, you will get a message with the appropriate value compared to the upper and the lower limits, and a reading where it says low calibrator is in range. Remove the strip, press OK, and the reader will prompt you to insert the high calibrator. Insert the light side of the light pink side of the calibration strip facing down. Close the door and press OK. Again, if the high calibration strip is in range, you will get an in-range reading with the appropriate values depicted on the screen. Remove the strip and hit OK. The next prompt is it's going to ask to run the negative control. In this case, we hit OK. It's going to ask to insert the strip. We're going to run the MRL-BL1 test, which is our blue, easy color-coded ROSA test. Insert the strip into the reader. The reader will load the proper calibration values and also set the appropriate temperature. Again, in order to make sure that the temperature is correct, you need to wait until the temperature indicator is green, indicating that the test is in the proper range. We're going to run the negative control, and as you can see, the sample ID is already populated since we've selected that option through the performance mode option. In this instance, we're going to open the ROSA strip, pipette your sample, reseal your strip, and close the door to the EasyReader. The incubation process will begin. In this case, it's a 1-minute test, will take 1 minute. Once done, it will display your result and show you a valid reading if the negative control is more negative than -400. In this case, we had a -1043, so it was a valid negative control. What you want to do is remove the strip from the incubator and hit the exit key. The reader will tell you that the negative control is valid. Select OK, and then it's going to ask you to run a positive control. Select OK, insert a new 1-minute test, and it will, again, will load the proper sample identification as your positive control. Open the strip, pipette your sample, reseal the tape, close the door, and we'll incubate for 1 minute. Once complete, you will get a positive interpretation, and if the control is valid, meaning a positive result, more positive than +400, you will get a positive valid reading. Here we have a reading of 1113, so it's a valid positive control. At this point, remove the strip. You can press escape, exit, and your positive control is valid, and that concludes the performance monitoring operation of the reader. And hitting OK defaults you back to your main screen where you can begin testing for the day.